Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the features or the problems that actually people have been complaining with Windows is always the performance of File Explorer. And actually, some people use third-party File Explorer like software because they're just better. Now, Microsoft has acknowledged that File Explorer launch in use is sluggish and that they will actually enable in the next builds of the insider rings and eventually to everybody a new way of launching File Explorer. It will actually pre-launch in the background, even if you don't use it, to make the access to File Explorer much faster. So that means that it will impact maybe some PCs, although they are saying that it shouldn't. Of course, every time that you start something in the background that, will use probably a little bit of RAM, will use, you can go in the task manager and see what's running and also what's launching. So everything that's there will eventually, of course, use maybe a little more of RAM and so on. If you've got a fast PC, you might not notice any difference, but if you have a PC that is older, that could impact performance. The good news is that when this launches, there will be an option where you will be able to go into the File Explorer options in the View section. There will be eventually a new check mark that you can actually remove, because what happens is that this new way of launching will be by default, which means when they enable it, you have it. You will have a pre-launch of File Explorer when you turn on your PC. But you'll be able to remove the check mark if it impacts performance, if you don't see any advantage in File Explorer running in the background. You'll be able to remove the check mark and say, no, don't do that. Stay like it was before. It's fine. So that is eventually going to come, and it's going to start running, actually getting into the insider previews within the next weeks. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.